Hello, everyone. Are you still stuck and don't know how to create your marketing funnel? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is a marketing funnel and how can you create your own marketing funnel. So let's understand what is a marketing funnel first. Marketing funnel is the journey of your ideal customer passing through different levels, which is know you, like you, trust you, and finally buy from you. Okay. So these are the different stages. So first stage is strangers. Strangers is when your ideal customer knows nothing about you. They are complete strangers to you. Okay. So at that time, what are the activities you need to do? You can put, posts on FB, Instagram. So you have to give quick post, which means the post have to be very, very short and simple. Okay. So it can be a shorts, it can be a reel, it can be a quick 4 line, 5 line post, quick 3 tips to do something, anything of that sort. Okay. Engagement level. What are the chances that your ideal customer will engage with you? They don't love you. So there are very less chances that they will engage with your content. Okay. Then what is the outcome? They will only give you 1 to 3 minutes. Okay. Not more than that. Which means your content has to be very, very short and simple so that they don't have to spend more than this time. Okay. Then comes the next stage when they start knowing you. So when they start knowing you, which means that they have seen enough of this, enough of your shorts, enough of your reels, enough of your quick posts, then they start knowing you. Okay. Or they have, you have connected with them on LinkedIn, on any other social media profile. They have started following you. So they reach this stage. Okay. Know you. So in know you, you have to give them cheat sheets. You have to give them checklists. You have to create small personalized videos for them. You can give them some lead magnets. So lead magnets are basically free resources that your customers really value. So lead magnets are the resources that your customers would be ready to buy from you, but you are giving them for free. So for this, you can watch my another video where I have talked about 3 resources that you can use as lead magnets. Okay. So now what is the engagement level here? They have come across something that tells them what do you do. Okay. So now they have started engaging with your content. They will start it after this, but they have understood that Ishleen does this. Okay, so they have understood what do you do. They might or might not engage with your content at this point of time. Okay, but they will start giving you more time and major engagement after this. So once they start knowing you, and if they find your content worthwhile, it adds value to them, they will start giving you more time and they will start giving you major engagement. Maybe they reply to your posts, maybe they reply to your DMs. Okay. After this, they reach this stage, which is like you. When they start liking you, you have to do this. You have to give them ebooks, you have to write an emails to them, you have to create blog posts for them, you have to create long form of content that they can actually read and apply. Teaching videos where you give them actionable steps that they can apply. Now, what do they do at this level? This level, they engage with you or some part of your marketing. So either they will start sending you direct messages because they are very curious about what you are sharing, or maybe they will start engaging with your marketing. So commenting on it, replying to it, liking it every time you put a post. Okay. So now at this stage, they look forward for your content. They wait that, okay, let's see what does Ishleen put today. Let's wait for her next edition of the newsletter. Okay. So this is the stage when they start liking you. Then they enter the next stage, which is they start trusting you. So when they start trusting you, they come to your webinars, they get on one-on-one calls with you, and they attend your Ask Me Anything sessions. Okay. So this is what you have to do here. Here you can create webinars, one-on-one calls, and Ask Me Anything sessions with them because they have started trusting you. Okay. So now they have made, how would you come to know that they have started trusting you? They have made some level of commitment to you, bought something or given their time. So they have given you some commitment. Maybe you had shared some video with them, say they have gone through the entire video. They have given you some time commitment that, okay, I would like to talk to you. I would like to get on your free call. I would like to attend your free session. So now they have started trusting you. Okay. And they are willing to give you more commitment and time and money. So This is one level also where you conducted a webinar and they bought something for 99 rupees, 199 rupees from you. Okay. So now if they have done it, it means they can be your future customer. Okay. And they are willing to give you more commitment and more time and money. So then it becomes your customers. Okay. So customers purchase of lowest ticket offering. So whatever you are offering, they're buying the lowest one. Okay. They want to take chance with you that, okay, let us buy something from her and see what is she offering. Okay. What is he offering? Then they have given the money to you in exchange for value. So whatever value you are providing them, they are ready to exchange money for that. Okay, now they are giving you the money. So they become your customers. They have purchased some products from you. So right now they have reached the stage where they have bought something from you. Okay, so this is the entire story of your funnel. You can take the screenshot of this so that it becomes more clear to you what are the activities you need to do at different stages, then how much would be their engagement level, and what would be the outcomes. So wish you all the very best, and I'm very sure that after this video, you all will be able to create your marketing funnel. If you have any questions related to marketing funnel, please feel free to post them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and share it with others.